What should you do if your current bus washing process is no longer efficient? Have you ever felt like your bus washing operations is working, but not really working? Vehicles are getting cleaned, staff are doing their job, the teapot is running. Yet somehow, every month feels more difficult than the last. More vehicles, more pressure, more labor trials, more delays. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many transport companies reach a point where their existing washing process can no longer support the demands of a growing fleet. The question is not whether the system still works. The question is whether it still works efficiently. One of the biggest mistakes fleet operators make is assuming that because a process is functioning, it does not need improvement. But in reality, operational bottlenecks rarely appear overnight. They develop gradually, a few extra minutes per vehicle, more workers added to keep up with demand, longer waiting time during peak hours, increases management efforts to maintain the same level of performance. Over time, these small inefficiencies become expensive limitations. The first thing smart transport companies do is step back and evaluate the process itself. Is the current system helping vehicles move through the depot faster, or it is slowing them down? Is labor being used efficiently, or are teams spending too much time on repetitive tasks? Can the operation handle future fleet growth without adding significant costs? These questions often reveal opportunities that are not immediately visible during daily operation. For many growing fleets, vehicle washing becomes one of the first areas where modernization creates measurable results. A process that once worked well for a smaller operation may struggle as vehicle volume increases. Manual cleaning teams face greater pressure. Scheduling becomes more challenging. Consistencies become harder to maintain. This is why transport companies around the world are increasingly introducing automatic wash systems to support operational growth. At Go&Go, we help fleet operators transform vehicle washing from a labor-intensive task into a streamlined and scalable process. Our automatic bus wash systems are designed for large buses, coaches, tourism vehicles, and commercial fleets operating under demanding conditions. By improving workflow, reducing labor dependency, and creating consistent cleaning results, companies gain more than a cleaner fleet. They gain a more efficient operation. The most successful business don't wait until operational problems become critical. They identify limitations early and replace them with systems designed for long-term performance. Because growth should create opportunities, not operational headaches. If your current washing process feels harder to manage than it did a few years ago, it may be the time to explore a smarter approach. Contact Go&Go today and discover how automation can help your fleet operate faster, more consistently, and more profitably as your business continues to grow.